panguva ino chokwadi chobuda pachena chotaurwa sekutamba kuchionekwa kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF vanhu vachatomboiti ZANU-PF yakuonekawo as a league of zviganandas, because anyone who is saying he is truly ZANU-PF panguva ino anenge achitodya nezvigananda, but all those panguva ino vanoonekwa kunzi vari against 2030, those people now they are not taking or they are not participating actively muma ZANU-PF factions. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. So that's gonna end up being dear all ZANU-PF members. ZANU-PF is dead. It's now the Uganda Patriot Fund. It is a lying loyalist for Jivayo. Don't be fooled. If Cap3 succeeds, you will be thrown under the bus to secure one man's power. It is time to stand firm. Denounce ED and the Cap3 agenda now. Doma developments are updated to open up animal lieutenants AD 2030. Machiti Aiwa, Pankwa ino yatunguwa Uganda's league. Unokuwa kunzi the people, wanokuwa kunzi one is strong financial muscle. Do varukunukuwa kunzi, do vanenge vari close to the leader. But it is their warning. Just because if Cap3 succeeds, those people wanna pa risk, wanna pangwa kaoma, and all those who are behind them, vakabatirira pavari. Power will be now centralized on one individual. Zvinyazobuda pachena kuti even the military, even the citizens, even the courts, everything zvinenge zvisina power on top of him. Pina comment section medu zofungura enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.